Here's one that everybody knows about, the classic open house. Everybody knows what an open house is. Everybody sees an open house. You see the signs, you see the ad, you see the marketing, but every realtor does it wrong. Let me tell you how the average real estate open house goes, because I've been there, I've done it, I'm telling the truth. What I used to do was, oh, okay, Mr. Seller, you know what, I'll have an open house this weekend. So I had plans with my family for the weekend, but now that's out the window. So I'm gonna have an open house. And you know what I do? You know what I do? Open houses Saturday from 2 to 4. So at 1:45, Miles goes out and he puts up 3 or 4 open house signs, get ones in front of the house, goes in, got all those flyers there ready to go, turns the golf game on and starts watching TV. And then people come in and, hey, here's a flyer, there you go, let me know if you got any questions, and they leave. You never talk to them. And that's the truth. And if you don't believe me, go to some open houses. And if I'm wrong, you call me, 403-380-8573, and tell me I'm not right. You go to 3 or 4 open houses, you'll see I'm right, or some form thereof. What we do is totally different. Our open houses take at least 5 to 10 days to prep them. We talk to the neighbors. We invite them to a special neighbors open house that's only open to the neighbors and their friends for 1 hour before the public open houses. That's only a small thing that we do. We never have a flyer at the open house. We never have a flyer at the open house, because everybody comes in and they're going, where's your flyer? We're going, hey, we don't have a flyer. Guess what? What we want to do is, here's a notepad, here's a pen. Why don't you walk through the house? Take notes, ask questions. What do you want to know? Because our job is to help you understand the beauty of this house. If we give you a flyer, that doesn't help either you or me. Anybody can read a flyer, but you don't get the personality. You don't get to ask the real good questions. So please, feel free to walk around and come back and let's go through your questions. That's just one thing that we do that's completely different than anybody else. Again, I'm telling the truth. You don't believe me? Go out there, check out an open house this weekend.